welcome back. I hope you all are having an amazing day. So today, as you can see from the title down below, we have a brand new subscription, and that is Fortunately Inspired. So before we get into exactly what this is, I do want to remind you guys, we do have our 5,000 subscriber giveaway going on. That link is going to be down below. We have the thrift bag giveaway where you could win a brand new Betsey Johnson backpack. Those both do end on September 22nd. And we have our makeup and skincare giveaway going on that does not end until like the first week of October. So there's still plenty of time to enter both, or actually all three giveaways. So if you haven't already, definitely do so. And if you are new, please consider hitting that subscribe button. We'd love to have you join us here on our YouTube family. We always do fun unboxings, live streams, giveaways, and makeup hauls, product reviews. It's always just a great time. So we'd love to have you. But what is Fortunately Inspired? So this is a fierce and fun monthly box for personal development and self-care. You want to subscribe by the first of the month for that month's box. It does ship worldwide. It is $49.95 plus shipping. I will put a link down below if you would like to sign up. And it says, we strive to inspire, encourage, and elevate women to pursue their best life. Self-improvement and personal growth should be fun and exciting. You're going to always include, or you're always going to get, the box will always include a popular newly released hardcover book. Each box includes 4 to 7 theme-related premium products, indulgent, tasty treats, comforting and recharging self-care essentials, and fun and trendy accessories and charming surprises. So, sounds so awesome. I can't wait to get in here. Like I said, I will put a link down below if you would like to sign up. But let's see what we got for September 2019 with Fortunately Inspired. I do want to say thank you so much to Fortunately Inspired for sending this to me. I do greatly appreciate it. So let's see what we got. Oh, all right. So this is what we see. It's very heavy. Like, this is what we see when we open it. I mean, it's not like overly heavy, but you can tell this is like packed. So it says, just for you, Fortunately Inspired. Shoot and share. Take a creative photo of the box and the contents to win a free box next month. That's awesome. Remember to tag us at Fortunately Inspired. So you can definitely follow them on Instagram. And like I said, it's at Fortunately Inspired. And then, the back of the card tells us everything that is in here along with pricing, which I love. I'm loving that so many more companies are not only listing the actual products, but they are including pricing. So thank you so much for that. But let's get in here and see what we got. So we've got some squigglies. So I'm just gonna kind of grab those, move them out of the way. All right, so let's see. The first thing I see is, what is this? Is this like a key ring? Compass keychain. This is awesome. Okay, so this is what it looks like a compass. But then there's this other piece here. It says, go confidently in the direction of your dreams. Live the life you have imagined. Well, it's kind of hard to see because it's mirrored. But I really like that, like, so much. Okay, and that is $8.59. And then we have one little squiggly sticking, so. Oh my gosh, I'm so wearing these tonight. This is from Woven Pair Wild Thing Socks, and these are $15. Super cute, right? Wild Thing. I love socks that have something on the bottom like that. That is so cute. So like I said, Wild Thing. And they feel so soft and comfy and cozy, and yes. Super adorable. All right, and then we have We have 2 packs. This is from Seriously Shea Stress Less Mini Epsom Soap. Like I said, it's 2 of them. $7.90. Jasmine and rosemary. I can't really smell it through. Vegan, cruelty free. That's awesome. So natural Epsom salt and essential oils. So it's awesome. You can relax. And if I did not say, this is $7.90. Awesome. And then we have from Twisted Crafters Woman Up pencils. Like Man Up, but Woman Up. So it's a 3-pack of pencils. And it says $3.95. And then we have, ooh, yum. This is Hip Peas Organic Chickpea Puffs. I actually really like these. But this is in Sriracha Sunshine. Yes. Yum. I'll have these when I have my socks on later tonight. $2.29. Yum, 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 yum. I like spicy stuff. Not too spicy, but you know. All right, and then we have our book. All right, so still have a couple squigglies wanting to hang around. All right. So our book is Bossed Up, A Grown Woman's Guide to Getting Your Together by Emily Aries. This is $27. So let's see. Emily Aries is not your typical #girl boss, and Bossed Up isn't your typical girl power manual. Instead, it's a practical, accessible, and thoroughly feminist guide to getting your priorities in order, letting go of your personal and cultural expectations that hold us back, and succeeding on your own terms. And then it says, if you want a career guide that really understands what it's like to be an ambitious woman in 2019, look no further. Emily doesn't guilt you about the things that haven't gone right, but she doesn't accept that you can't change them either. She identifies the structural barriers we're up against and gives practical steps to overcome them. That is awesome. This sounds really a grown woman's guide to getting your together. Yep. I may actually, yeah. You got me right there. Rest. Because you have to take care of yourself in order to take care of others. So we got in our fortunately expired September 2019, the Bossed Up, like I said, A Grown Woman's Guide to Getting Your Together from Emily Aries. We got these yummy Hip Peas in Sriracha Sunshine. The Woman Up pencils. The Stress Less, 2 different bath soaks here. Super excited about those. The Wild Thing socks. And this compass this compass keychain that I really like. I think the message on the second part, go confidently go confidently in the direction of your dreams, live the life you have imagined. I love that. So, I really liked this. I think this is definitely, these are uplifting, fun products, and then the book, I really like this. I enjoyed this. I think, it kind of covers, you obviously got a yummy snack, you got some fun socks, the compass with that inspirational message I really like and appreciate. The 2 packs of this so we can relax, the book, the Woman Up pencils to kind of remind you that you got this, you can do it, just woman up. So I will put a link to Fortunately Inspired down below. Let me know your thoughts in the comments. I love hearing from you guys. I hope you all have a fantastic day, and I will see you guys on the next one. Bye.